Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. Today, we are diving into the June 2025 Power BI update, packed with analytics, modeling, visuals, and connectivity improvements that all boost your reporting game. Let's get started. At first, let me show you the blog post released by Microsoft. And here are the main contents. So in this month, we have some updates on general section. We have some important update on reporting section. We have an exciting update on modeling section. Apart from this, we have some update on data connectivity, mobile and visualizations as well. So let us discuss the key updates one by one. At first, we will discuss secure collaboration on sensitive data in Power BI desktop. Are you working with sensitive data in Power BI? The latest update to sensitivity level in Power BI desktop helps you securely collaborate by classifying files as confidential, ensuring compliance with your organization's policies. These levels also enable encryption and maintain protection when the file is published in the Power BI service or Fabric. Let me show you how you can enable this option and set up this. First, you need to visit to the admin portal and you should enable the information protection option. So this should be enabled. Then if this option is enabled in Power BI, this option will be activated, and from here you can set up the sensitivity level. Let's move to our next update. Let me open the blog post again. In reporting section, this month we have some updates to visual calculations. This month brings several announcements to visual calculations. Microsoft taking the first step towards reducing the need for manual typing, while also making visual calculations more robust and less error prone when switching visual types. Additionally, visual calculations are now available in the Explore experience. Let me show you the demo of the same. Let me open my Power BI file, and here you can see I have a simple table where I have country, sum of sales and sum of profit. So let me add a simple visual calculation. For that, I need to click on new visual calculation, and here let me select running sum. So once we click on running sum, you can see this picker icon. If you click here, from here you can select the option from the list. So you need not to type it again and again. So from here, if we want to see the running sum for sum of sales, we can simply select this one. And here it's highlighted the column, and once we commit it, the calculation will be applied in the visuals. If you want, you can type it manually as well. Let me commit it. As you see, once I commit it, I'll get the result in my visuals. Also, let me show you how we can leverage visual calculation in Explore option. Let me open my Power BI service, and here in the workspace, let me click on this semantic model, and I click on this triple dot. From here we can click on explore this data, and once you click on explore this data, so from here users can make any report out of this semantic model. So let me come to country table and select country, and also let me come to measure section and let me select net sales. Now here you can see the net sales, Now you can see we have the option new visual calculation. So here also now user can create new visual calculation. Let me click on new visual calculation, and here let me put a formula. So for example, here also I select running sum, and if I select net sales and commit it, we will get the result here. Let me click on back. So you can see our calculation will be done. So in service also, in data explorer option, we can perform visual calculations now. Let me move to the blog post again. Let us discuss another updates in the reporting section, that is Sparkline, now generally available. Sparklines, small charts within table or matrix cells, make it easy to spot and compare trends at a glance. After being in the preview since December 2021, they are now generally available. Plus, there are a new announcement for those using Sparkline with calculation groups. You can now choose how to calculation group is applied, either to individual values or to entire Sparklines. Let me move to another important update that we have this month in reporting section. Support for adding paginated reports to org apps. This is also a preview features. You can now include paginated report items in your organizational applications. This is a preview features for now. Simply select the paginated reports that you want to add when editing your organization app and save the changes. Unlike workspace apps, RG apps automatically granted to both the paginated reports and its underlying semantic model, allowing users to view the report directly within the app. Now let's discuss some exciting updates in the modeling section. Power Query editing in web for import models. This is also a preview feature. This month, Microsoft has rolled out one of the most requested features for web-based semantic model editing, Power Query editing for import models. Until now, Power Query was the final missing piece for a full end-to-end authoring experience in the browser. Starting this month, you can now get data, transform data, and refresh your import models all directly on the web with no need to open Power BI desktop. Get data. Add new import tables using the familiar Power Query Get Data experience right from the Home tab. Transform data. Save and clean your data with the full Power Query editor now available in the browser. Refresh. Easily refresh both schema and data within the web editing interface. This update empowers you to build and manage your import model completely in the service. For more details, check out the official documentation. Also, this month, Microsoft has expanded support for write operation via external tools. In data connectivity section also, this month we have some important updates like to connect PostgreSQL database without any manual driver installation, QuickBooks Online Beta Connector, etc. In mobile section also, this month Microsoft has released some updates. ORG apps now available in the mobile. This is also a preview feature. Apart from these, they have some updates on the visualization sections as well. That wraps up the Power BI June 2025 updates. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.